utakuwa na jibu ya dada moja garabana. Wacha niweke kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. Kwanza kwa mikono yangu hapa nimebeba petition. A petition that's petitioning the Honorable MP for Bobasi, Honorable Innocent Obiri, who has decided to be innocent like his name. Yeah. Honorable Obiri is being petitioned this afternoon by over 2,000 members of the public. And the media can see signatures from members of the public asking Honorable Obiri to wake up and do his job. And we as the representative of the people tumekuja hapa sababu ya kufanya kongamano la amani. Tumetembea kutoka kule Yamache na tumefika kwa bridge ambayo ilisulubiwa by the rains in 1st May 2023. So kufika sasa, we are actually supposed to have an anniversary for this bridge. Sababu Mheshimiwa Obiri ameamua hata itengeneza. Na sisi kama wakilishi wenu tumeamua tuje hapa sauti ya wananchi isikike. Mheshimiwa Obiri tumebeba petition hapa and we are presenting the petition peacefully to the CDF office of Nyamache here. And we will ask that Mheshimiwa Obiri must respond to it within 14 days. Failure to which we will be asking the residents of Bobasi to have signatures to remove Mheshimiwa Obiri from office. Let me repeat. We have a petition here and we are presenting the petition to the CDF office and the office of the MP for Bobasi. And within 14 days, if he does not respond, we remove him from office. Hata sasa bila hapa ameanguka kwa mto. The truth is the bridge here is dangerous to the lives of people. Now people are not able to access services. And I want to ask the residents of Bobasi that we must come out and call out this MP to wake up and do his law. Asanteni sana.
Now we invite Mheshimiwa